Welcome to Tradespoon Live Audio. My name is Vlad Karpel and I'm the founder of Tradespoon. And today I have a special guest, a friend of mine, Yannick Nicodemus from UBS. He is a portfolio manager at UBS and a good friend of mine. Yannick, how are you doing today?
Hey Vlad, how are you? Thank you for having me.
Great. It's a pleasure having you. And today I'd like to talk about Wall Street week ahead. We know that market has been volatile in January. We had a sell-off the first couple of weeks. There was an ECB decision yesterday about asset repurchasing programs. So the oil prices, the gold, the SPX, the ECB, this is what's on my mind in terms of market direction. So I want to give you an opportunity to give your take on the economy and what will be the driving forces in the market in the next week.
Perfect, thank you, Vlad. So technically, there is no doubt that after yesterday's ECB announcement, that central bankers are still firmly in charge of the market sentiment. I don't think we'll never know what would have happened if a trillion plus euros of fairy dust were not sprinkled over the global markets this week, what the markets would have done. That being said, if the ECB wanted higher stock markets and a weaker euro, then they're getting what they wished for. That being said, the dollar continues to soar. I think the demand for the dollar may be so great that it will eventually spill over into U.S. equities. I think this week was a big test of the thesis that central bankers were losing their iron grip on investor sentiment. And I think central banks have clearly won that. And the conclusion has to be made that markets are now likely to build on this and continue to go higher to new highs while underlying economic conditions continue to deteriorate. It's essentially a global banana republic, if I may. I see the S&P trading. It's currently trading at a trendless short-term range. Support level is around 1972. With possible bouncing towards 2093. However, the daily momentum that I personally track is heading slightly into overbought territory, and I think my view is that I think we might be on our way into a favored minor cycle top, which I would expect early next week.
Thank you, Yannick, for that view. And again, thank you for everybody for listening to Tradespoon Live Audio Show. Yannick, thank you very much for your time. If you are listeners, if you guys, or if you viewing this video, do us a favor. If you have any questions, send them to vlad@tradespoon.com. If you have questions on portfolio management, or if you have questions about Tradespoon technology, you can visit our site, tradespoon.com, or send an email at vlad@tradespoon.com. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you next week.